This dance is called No Quiero Sufrir. I do not want to suffer. It's a 32 count, full wall, improve a level line dance with one tag, one step change and one restart. Starting on the right foot, walk forward 4 steps, right, left, right, left. You're now going to shuffle back on the right, but you're going to shuffle to the right back diagonal. Keep yourself facing forward, back shuffle. Shuffle back on the left, and again you're going to the back left diagonal, back shuffle. That set of steps once more then, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 back shuffle, back shuffle. Slow chassé to the right. Right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. Now you're going to touch the left beside the right at the same time as doing a hip bump to the left. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left as you do a hip bump to the right. Step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, you guessed it, with a hip bump. So that set of steps once more then, slow chassé to the right with those hip bumps on those touches. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Now remember, hopefully you've got your hip bumps in at the same time. Let's put those 2 sections together. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 back shuffle, side, close, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump. Rolling vine to the left. Now this rolling vine is the equivalent of a full turn. If you don't wish to do this full turn, just do a normal vine to the left, side, behind, side. Otherwise, quarter turn left as you step forward on that left, half a turn left as you step back on the right, quarter turn left as you step the left to the side. Touch the right beside the left, and as you do so, hip bump. So you're going to bump that right hip up. Into some cross rock sides, but it's actually a back cross rock. So you are going to cross the right behind the left as you rock onto it, recover your weight on that left, step the right to the side. Again, cross the left behind the right as you rock back onto it, recover on the right, step the left to the side. Back rock side. That set of steps once more then. Rolling vine to the left. 7, 8, turn, 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 bump, back rock side, back rock side. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 back shuffle, side, close, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump, turn, 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 bump, back rock side, Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Step forward on the right again, pivot yourself quarter turn to the left. Cross the right over the left, point the left to the side. Kick the left forward, then you're going to hop on that left as you flick your right back. Easier to do in the dance than it is to do in slow motion. So it's hop on the left as you flick that right back. That set of steps once more then. Step pivots off on the right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, point, kick, flick. Hop and flick. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn with those 2 pivot steps. Should you wish to try and take those out, what you can actually do is rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left. Don't do that step pivot half. Then rock back on the right as you recover your weight on the left, make a 1/4 turn to the right. Takes out that step pivot half, step pivot 1/4. Should you need to, cross, point, kick, flick. Non-turning steps, should you need to take that 3/4 turn out. Otherwise, that is the end of the dance when we get to that point. So let's put it all together. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 walk. Back shuffle, side, close, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump. Turn, 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 bump, back rock, side, step, pivot, cross, point, kick, flick. So that is your dance. Now apart from those back shuffles and the back rock side, it's all single count timing. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 walk. Back shuffle, side, close, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump. Turn, 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 bump. Back rock, side, step, pivot, cross, point, kick, flick. Walk, 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 walk. Back shuffle, side, close, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump. Turn, 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 bump. Back rock, side, step, pivot, cross, point, kick, flick. Walk, 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 walk. Back shuffle, side, close, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump. Turn, 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 bump. Back rock, side, step, pivot, cross, point, kick, flick. So that's your dance. Now there is one little tag in this dance, comes at the end of wall 3. Wall 3 is your 6 o'clock wall. You will be facing 9 o'clock when you finish the wall. You will have done your flick, your tag, quite simply, side rock, recover. That's it. 2 count tag, side rock. And you start the dance again. So let's take wall 3 up to the end of wall 3, add on your tag and restart the dance. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 walk. Back shuffle, side, close, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump. Turn, 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 bump. Back rock, side, step, pivot, cross, point, kick, flick, tag, side, rock, walk, 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 back shuffle. So that's where your tag comes in. End of wall 3, side rock, and restart. Now we also have a step change and restart. Comes on wall 7. Wall 7 is also your 6 o'clock wall. You will dance 15 counts. Your step change is basically, rather than doing the hip bump, you just step the left beside the right on count 16. So it's into that hip bump section, and then you restart the dance. So you will have done your side close, side touch with your hip bump, side hip bump, side, rather than doing your another hip bump, you just step the left beside the right and you walk forward, starting the new wall. So let's just take you up to that step change, restart, wall 7. 15 counts. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 walk. Back shuffle, side close, side bump, side close. Restart, walk, 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 walk. Back shuffle, back shuffle. So that's your step change and restart. 15 counts, close. Instead of doing that touch and hip bump, restart the dance. So that's it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag, step change and restart information. Let's give it a go. It's a bit of music.
No vale la pena sufrir, no vale la pena llorar. No quiero que sufras tanto, tanto, no quiero que llores más. No vale la pena sufrir, no vale la pena llorar. No quiero que sufras tanto, tanto, no quiero que llores más.
5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, 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 walk. Back shuffle, side close, side bump, side bump, side bump. Turn, 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 bump, backward side, backward side. Step, pivot, cross, point, kick, flick. Walk, 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 walk. Back shuffle, side close, side bump, side bump, side bump. Turn, 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 bump, backward side, step, pivot, cross, point, kick, flick. Walks, tag wall, side close, side bump, side bump, side bump. Turn, 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 bump, backward side, step, pivot, cross, point, kick, flick, tag, side, rock, walk, walk, back shuffle, side close, side bump, side bump, turn, backward side, step, pivot, cross, point, kick, flick, walks. Chasse, line, pivots, walks, chasse, line, pivots, walks, restart wall, chasse, step change, restarts. Hope you managed that one.